Here's a quick video on how to get your Goosky RS4 to adapt to the Goblin tail boom. So in this video I'll show you how to remove this tail section and fit the Goblin one. So and in the description below I will also put all the parts that you will need. So first of all, what you're gonna do is, I've already done this just to speed up this video. You're gonna remove your Goosky tail boom complete, and you can just put that aside. You're not gonna need that anymore. Then you will leave your tail belt intact like that, because this you're gonna use again. This is your Goblin tail pulley, and it fits like a diamond there. It's 100%. So the pattern of the belt and the Goblin tail pulley is exactly the same, so you don't have to worry about the Goblin tail pulley. Then you're gonna take your Goblin. You will remove your tail from there. I've already done this just to speed things up. And there you've got your tail boom of Goblin. Right, so then you can put your Goblin aside. Not gonna need this anymore. And yes, now we have got our Goosky RS4 and our Goblin tail boom. And this is the complete assembly at the back with the tail boom. But there's one thing on this boom that you need to make a change of. So you will see on the picture that I've got on the screen is there where it pushes into the Goblin tail. You will have to cut that piece off for it to be the right length for the Goosky RS4. Cut in here. So I've cut the tail boom right where the recess ends, so that's gonna give you the right length for your Goosky. I've seen that I haven't captured the footage quite as good, but yeah, take note that I've cut it right where the recess ends, where it goes into the Goblin 420 tail boom. So just do the same. Then what you'll do is you'll pull your tail belt through. You've got this piece of puller here that I've made. Get that in there. Pull this through. And bear in mind, you change nothing on the Goosky. There's nothing to be changed here. This all stays the same, but it is a very tight fit that I can say. So that's why I have removed these two bolts plus the tension bolts at the bottom, so that it can split open here more than most of what, just to loosen these two. So then you can install your new tail boom into your Goblin, into your Goosky RS4. You can just maybe, yeah, these are tight fit, but it works like a charm. So then with this, if you look down this, you will have to twist it to the left. There we are. Your tail belt is installed in your, or your complete Goblin tail is installed in your Goosky RS4. And That's the old Goblin tail pushrod, and this is your Goosky tail pushrod, so you won't need that. Your Goosky tail pushrod is 100%. I've already set this up to the right length for my tail performance. Clip that in there. Now you've got two options. You can either use your Goosky one or your Goblin one, and I'll leave the Goblin one for the Goblin, and I'll use the Goosky one for the Goosky. It's not gonna make any difference. Good shot. It's in there. Now, what we can do is we will take off the blades. So here we go. Let's plug in. And let's pull up. Let's see how she runs. No problem. 100%. Okay, so there's your Goosky working with your Goblin tail boom. Hope you've got fun with your new model. Thanks for watching, guys, and hit the subscribe button. Share to your friends.